Welcome to the Smart English Academy. Here we learn simple English through real-life stories. Clear, easy, and smart.
Hi everyone. In today's video, Anna will share a short story about going to the doctor. This story is perfect for beginner English learners. You will learn new words and simple sentences about visiting the doctor. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm 25 years old. I live in a small apartment with my cat, Lucy. This morning I woke up and felt strange. My head hurt and my body felt weak. I touched my forehead. Oh no, I have a fever, I said. Lucy meowed like she was worried. I drank some warm water. I tried to rest, but my headache got worse. So I called my friend Maria. Hi, Maria, I said. I feel sick. Maria said, you should go to the clinic and see a doctor. I got up, changed my clothes and wore my mask. Then I took a bus to the clinic. At the clinic, a friendly nurse gave me a form. Please fill this out, she said. I wrote my name, age, and phone number. Then I sat in the waiting room. A little boy next to me was sneezing. Another man was coughing. I felt nervous. I just wanted to get better. After 15 minutes, the nurse called my name. Anna, the doctor will see you now. I walked into the room. The doctor smiled. Hi, Anna. What's the problem? I have a headache, fever, and I feel very tired, I said. The doctor checked my temperature and used a stethoscope to listen to my breathing. You have the flu, he said. You need to rest and take medicine. He gave me a prescription and said, take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 at night, and drink plenty of water. I thanked the doctor and went to the pharmacy. The woman at the counter gave me the medicine. Feel better soon, she said. I went home. Lucy sat next to me as I rested. I took the tablet and slept. The next morning, I woke up feeling much better. No more fever, no more headache, I said. Lucy purred. I smiled and said, thank you, doctor, and thank you, Lucy.
That's Anna's story. Now, let's learn some useful English words from the story. These words will help you improve your English and talk about going to the doctor. Let's begin.
Fever, when your body temperature is high. Example, I have a fever. I feel hot. Headache, pain in your head. Example, I can't study because of my headache. Weak, no energy, tired. Example, after being sick, I feel weak. Stethoscope, a tool doctors use to hear your heart and lungs. Example, the doctor used a stethoscope to listen to my chest. Prescription, a note from the doctor for medicine. Example, the doctor wrote me a prescription. Sick, feeling unwell or ill. Example, Anna feels sick in the morning.
All right. Did you like today's video? Tell me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new words about going to the doctor. If you want to learn more vocabulary, I've created a PDF for you. Check the video description to download it. Thank you for watching.